So Chris, here's the crux of it. I'm gonna ask you 5 questions. If you can answer me in the affirmative of the 5 questions, then it'll lead to a next round. If you cannot answer these 5 questions, depending on the answers, then you must implement those first, and then we can move on to the next step. If those 5 things aren't there, you're not going anywhere. Question 1, are you in charge? Do you have the authority to make ultimate decisions? Because it sounds like you have a
European people with a choke collar on you.
so you may or may not be able to call it. The critical decisions you need to be able to make is what time everybody starts, and if you can fire and hire people. If that goes, and you can have authority over scheduling, then that's number 1 and you're in good shape. The second one is, are you doing morning meeting and 3S time every single day? 99% of the time, maybe more. When I ask a company who's like,
I just can't get meetings to take off. Oh my gosh, it's just so difficult.
when I ask them, are you doing morning meeting and 3S time every single day? The answer is, oh no, we can't do that. We do morning meeting on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we do 3S time on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We're smarter than everyone. Are you doing 3S time every single day? Number 3, if you're doing 3S time and morning meeting every single day, what is first? Is 3S first or is 3S second? If morning meeting is first and 3S is second, then that is not the correct way to implement it initially, right? For the first year, maybe 3 years. Is 3S first every single day? 4, if you do morning meeting every single day and 3S is first, are your people leading it? Are they leading the charge? Every morning, one of our people gets up and they present the entire morning meeting. They made the morning meeting schedule, they prepared their meeting, they shot their own videos, they uploaded them to YouTube, and then they presented it the next day. They did the whole thing. And then it cycles through everybody in the company. From me, all the way to the janitor. Every single person is doing it. Is that the case? Because a lot of people don't have the balls or ovaries to implement that. Are your people implementing it? All right, so that's the 4th one. The last one, do you have chores, daily chores during 3S time that include the bathroom time? And are you doing lean in the bathroom? Because if you, as the boss and the owner, are on a chore schedule and you are cleaning the bathroom, the lowliest position, which in all cultures is considered dirty, and you give the directive that everyone must cycle through, everyone cycles through, including you and all of your office, your high-level support staff, if you do those 5 things, then no one,
Especially the middle managers who are trying to sabotage and all this and the team leads who think they're important.
no one has an excuse to not do any single thing in the entire company because you as the boss and the owner are willing to go clean the bathrooms on your hands and knees every morning as a chore because it's about the customer, it's not about you. If you are going to do that, then that's stealing from the customer. If you're not going to participate, because we must eliminate waste, and not eliminating waste is stealing from the customer, and we fire people who steal from the customer. So everyone's going to do their part, where you actually go clean as the boss and the owner. So if you cannot answer in the affirmative those 5 things, and have implemented those by force and are doing them for at least 6 months, exactly like that, then we can move on to something else. It's probably something very, very simple like your morning meeting, and we can clean that up really quickly. Tons of ways to do it. And so I'm gonna be offering a service. I'm gonna be charging for this probably between $50,000 or $100,000 for a week, but I'm in the beta and the pilot phase right now, so I'm basically gonna offer, if people wanna fly me out there, I'll go clean them up. But yeah, if you can do those 5 things for a year or 6 months, then we can actually talk about what's going on. Because for the most part, there's one of those 5 things that's not happening. That's why you're not having a successful 2-second lean implementation as a company.